It's time to call Maynard Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling for your furnace system check. For just $69, you'll get a full furnace safety inspection to ensure you can be prepared for the season ahead. We'll also check for carbon monoxide leaks, providing you with safety, comfort, and peace of mind. And if you become a member of our Healthy Home Plan, your system check is included. Plus, you'll get 10% off repairs, priority scheduling, and much more. Call Maynard Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling to schedule your furnace tune-up today.